Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Today we will look at modern 3D wallpaper designs. The process of installing wallpaper is no easy task. Plus, there is always a chance that you grow tired of your wallpaper choice down the road. So it's no surprise why many people choose to avoid it altogether. But if you have been on a hunt for a way to add personality to an interior, it's time to reconsider. Whether your goal is to live in an entryway, bedroom or living room, the wallpaper is good option. Many top interior designers view wallpaper as a game changer. So it's a versatile design element that can be used on an accent wall or a fully papered room for a bold look. And in addition to traditional wallpaper, and growing number of retailers offer a slew or removable design that are just stylish. Since it can be difficult to determine the perfect wallpaper patterns for your interior design aesthetics and the best room to use it in, we have come up with latest and favorite wallpapers. From eye-catching floral to colorful stripes patterns, these rooms showcase some of our favorite wallpaper design ideas. Get ready to step outside of your comfort zone with wallpaper that can give your space an attractive new look. 3D wallpaper designs for walls are meant to be arresting and eye-capturing. Interior designers can create maximum impact with minimal efforts by smartly using 3D wallpapers on home walls. They bring in style as well as make a strong visual statement. 3D wallpapers bring in oomph to any space. The wallpaper pattern boosts of detailing, shading, and stimulated lighting effects, all of which create a surreal imagery that pops out in the interior space. As one of the leading names in the home decor sector, Interior Decor Designs is always working towards bringing in the latest and trendiest of global wall fashions. Wallpaper for wall is one of the best means to add color and personality to one home interior. 3D wallpapers in particularly can instantly add glamour and style to every nook and corner of the home. The favorable aspect of 3D wallpaper is that they come in all sorts of pattern and styles. In this video, we have taken a look at some of the excellent home decor ideas using 3D wallpaper designs. Geometric wallpapers. When it comes to 3D wallpaper for walls, geometric patterns are most popular in this category. From circle to hexagon and square to triangle, these wallpaper designs can be extremely versatile and flexible. This makes them a perfect fit for any room. A grid-like pattern is most used where the hexagon or circle features a shadowing effect to provide a sense of depth to the wall with a concave look. Light pastels, white, dark beige and grey are some suitable shades which can bring out the 3D grid effect on wallpapers. Be it living room or entrance corridor, 3D geometric wallpaper create an impressive look. Designers can bring in the illusion of depth even with a minimalist wallpaper patterns. Floral wallpapers. 3D wallpaper designs for walls are meant to pop out against the flat expanse of a wall. While most floral wallpapers have a more traditional or classic aesthetics, using a 3D effect gives the style a more modern and stylish look. Floral 3D wallpapers add a contemporary touch to the space, balancing the riot of the color with a simple minimalist home decor scheme. 3D floral are the best pick for making an accent wall. They can work efficiently in every part of the home. Entrance hallway, dining room, living room, master bedroom, and even the bathroom. The rich color coupled with 3D effects make the stunning visual finish that can make and become the visual focus of any room. Customized wallpapers. Digitally printed 3D wallpapers open up a whole new world of design and creativity. A lush green forest that looks so realistic as if the birds and animals have stepped inside physically. A peacefully courtyard with Lord Buddha meditating under an enormous tree, or Spider-Man wallpaper where the superhero is within hand's reach. These are just few examples. The digitally printed wallpaper designs are full of photorealistic finish, and 3D effects create a crisp, quality imagery with shadow and lightings. The sense of depth is brought to real life, making the space feel more alive and open. When deciding how to adorn your home with 3D wallpaper, you should always consider the room when you are working with it. Since there are patterns for nearly everything under the sun, from fish to flora to simple stripes, it is important to make sure that what you choose to accent a wall with matches the rest of the room. 3D wallpapers can be utilized in a few different ways within your home. You could choose to put it on one wall for an accent, as opposed to simply painting the wall with a different color. Not only with this unique touch, it will add a bit of pop to the area you choose to put in. More glamorous patterns like black and gold designs are a good choice for this technique. If you want to go all out, you can also choose to plaster 3D wallpaper on all four walls of a room. This works best with more realistic patterns so as not to make the home seem too busy. For example, if you have a modern style, a good option would be to choose something like horizontal stripes. It's contemporary yet not too overpowering and will give your room a nice vibe. Why are more and more people choosing 3D wallpaper for interior decoration? A few years ago, the photo web was considered a bad taste. That's because the manufacturer didn't think much about the design of the finishing material and stamped similar images, forest, waterfalls, and fields. However, over the past 5 to 7 years, the situation has changed radically. 3D wallpapers are now at the peak of popularity for a number of good reasons. Attractive appearance. This is the first thing that distinguishes 3D wallpaper from the other types of finishing material for walls. They allow you to get a realistic composition and become an accent in any interior. No design restriction for any course. Today you can buy 3D wallpaper in online store with a variety of designs. But this is not the only way to get the canvas. You can also order the printing of photo wallpapers according to your sketch. It can be beautiful picture, family photo, illustration, and so on. In addition to design freedom, you also have the popularity and opportunity to choose absolutely any size of photo wallpaper. Now you should not worry about the image will be too big, small for the walls. Easy to care by themselves, 3D wallpapers are made from a variety of materials. However, they have one common feature, a special protective and dust-proof vinyl layer. Thanks to him, you can easily wash the wallpaper with a damp cloth without fear of spoiling the coating. In addition to today, you can find fabric on a fabric basis that can be cleaned even with a vacuum cleaner. Visual expansion of the room, which however is valid only in large rooms due to deep image, creates the illusion of extending the room. You seem to immerse the room in picture, making it a part of the picture. Easy of sticking. 3D wallpaper does not require any special glue, any specific rule for instruction, so you can use 3D wallpaper according to your need and desire. Long service life. Some individual types of wallpaper can last more than 20 years. That is too much for any room. So you can use 3D wallpaper and do not think of durability. Compliance with all fire safety requirements. Zoning space. If necessary, select several zones in the same room, often used partitions, curtains, or racks. However, if you do not want to lose space, you can simply select the dining area located in the kitchen with original 3D image. Environmental friendliness. Wear resistance. The same protective vinyl layer which prevents the appearance of dust also allows you to avoid various mechanical damages to the surface of the wallpaper. There are plenty of ways you can use 3D wallpaper in that space too, other than just plastering it on the walls above the rails. One of the fun thing about this is that the rail gives you a top and bottom distinctions. You can try a printable bedboard wallpapers paired with an intricate wallpaper above the rail, or switch it up and plaster a pattern beneath while painting a corresponding color on the wall above. Despite the large number of positive properties, 3D wallpapers have certain disadvantages. So you should also know all these disadvantages. Finishing material require the most even surface. Yes, we have already said that the process of gluing 3D wallpaper is quite simple. However, at the preparatory stage, you will have to torment a little and remove all minor defects. from the wall. Otherwise, the realism of the image on the wall will suffer greatly. Gluing 3D wallpapers alone is not the best idea. It is in your interest to clean up as flat as possible, otherwise the image will float and will definitely lose its 3D effect. Therefore, it is better to call experienced craftsmen for such purposes. Wallpaper 3D only began to appear as separate material for the decoration of the walls. Therefore, you are unlikely to find a large section in the ordinary building materials stores. Still, it is better to contact specialized sales outlets, which in turn cooperate with the printing services. High prices for the original image printed on the canvas under the order, you of course have to pay. But in this case, you will receive not only the unique design of 3D photo wallpapers but also the ideal size of the canvas. However, the finished wallpaper costs a lot. As a rule, 3D wallpaper for walls will depends on the price. So hope friend you like all these designs that we have shown you. If you want more designs, then you can visit our website interiordecordesigns.in. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest for more designs. All the link is there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration and design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.